let's see, I wanted to do a review on some of these Target exclusive Scout class figures. But I did find something at Walmart. I recorded another video, so I want to show it to you, so pretty soon the screen's gonna do something, I don't know yet. And it's gonna go to the video. And then after the video's over, it's gonna come back here. Through the magic of video editing. So, Walmart. So when I was at Walmart, I was looking for something. This isn't what I was looking for, which would be Masterpiece Starscream. However, this is something a lot rarer, a lot older, and is Cybertron Red Alert. Let's see if we can get a light here. Cybertron Red Alert. This toy is pretty old considering. Let's see. Of course, it's a lot. I guess I would rather have Masterpiece Starscream, but this is pretty cool. Like, if you see any of the toys, like any of the older toy lines in the store, you know, pick it up. Don't think about it twice, just pick it up, because I guarantee you that if you don't, you will regret it until the next line comes out. And for us, that's a very, very long time. Since animated, isn't gonna come out till June. Alright, just a little update here. I wanted to show you guys something. See, back. Wanted to review these whatchamacallit, Scout class figures. Let's start with this guy. He's the best one of these, so. Is the light too? Okay, there we go. Oh, now that's too dim. Tell me what you guys do for lighting. I can't figure out lighting. Let's see if we can find his card here. Here it is. Apparently he was like some kind of police on Cybertron. Oh. I can't find the card for this guy. I forgot what his name was. But this guy, he is Air Raid. He can take off all his shit. Pretty nice little figure. He has a camo paint job, so he's flying in the air, blah 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 blah. And boom, he gets shot out of the air because the sky, yeah, unbeknownst to him, it's actually blue. Yeah. So he has, not sure if that'll come through on video or not, but he has an Autobot symbol here, here, and here. In fact, he's the only one of these that has a Autobot or a Decepticon symbol anywhere. So, okay. See his. Well, actually, no, I'm wrong. Guess the ones with Energon stars have the little symbol inside there. Pretty cool figure. It's a little black hand-drawn star right there. Just put that on top of that thing. Okay. These little things on the wings. Let's see, and he comes with a gun, which it's almost as long as he is. But big weapons are okay. So he's looking pretty nice there. Can see his head right there. Doesn't matter. Transformers aren't meant to be looked at from the bottom. And to transform them, you need to remove this little gun here. And flip up these little turrets on here and his landing gear down here. And fold the wings up like so. Move, yeah, always forget the step. You gotta unhook the bottom part here. Move the legs into place. Get this thing to the side. And we got a little automorph here. Watch his head as you turn this thing counterclockwise. Boom. Move his little thing back. Take these things, fold them like so. And there you have air raid. Yeah, I can't get him to stand. Everything's looking pretty good here. His little gun can go in either hand. Let's see. Boom, he's gonna shoot you. And like most of the this is an Energon repaint of Air Scale or Air something, but his weapon is still the same. Take the two halves that were on the wings, you just combine them. Let's see. And you take the gun and you put it. Ah, jeez, come on. You put it on the thing. And now he has a staff. Pretty good there. Staff actually doesn't look that bad. I don't know. Pretty good figure. If you're gonna buy one figure from this line, I guess. Not line, but this class, the Target exclusives, just go ahead and pick up this one.